Hello viewers, welcome to another new video of Tuner Digital Agency. Today I will show you how to create a Fillable PDF form with automatic calculations using Adobe Acrobat. So let's start. At first open a PDF document in Adobe Acrobat. Then click on the Prepare a Form option from the toolbar. Now click on this Create Form option. Then you will see that Acrobat already created some boxes on your PDF. At first delete all these boxes. We will create these boxes manually. Then select the place and make sure that the place is blank. If it is filled, then delete the text from there to make fillable. Now select the text field option from here and you will see a rectangle box is moving with your mouse cursor. Place the box in the place where you want to make fillable. You can adjust the box size by dragging the mouse from the anchor point of the boxes. You can add a field name by double-click on the box. Also you can change the font size, text color from the appearance option. You can find the alignment into the option. Also you can customize more from the other options here. Now let's check our fillable box is working or not. Click on the preview and type inside the box. Look, it is working. Now press and hold Alt plus Ctrl plus Shift and drag the box into another place which you want to make fillable. It will copy the box same to same. Double click on the new box and give it a new name. Let's copy the box one more time for the invoice date box and give it a different name also. Now go to the Format option and select Date, then select a date format from here. Copy the invoice date box for the due date and replace the name for due date. Now for the total due box, select Copy a box without date format because this is not a date. Change the name and select bold font because the text is bold. Now let's check all these boxes are working properly or not. You can see here is a drop-down menu in the date fields. You can select dates from this easily. Also the total due font is showing bold. Now let's delete the information of the invoice from Add a text field here, double-click and add a name to the box. Select the font color to blue because the name was blue color. Copy the box again for the From Address and Email field, adjust the box size by dragging from the anchor point, double-click on it and select the name, also change the font color to black again. At last select multi-line from the options because address and email should more than one line. Let's check these two boxes are working or not. Yes. They are working properly. Look, the name is in blue color and the address and email field is black and multi-lines. Let's repeat the same process again and again to the all other fields of the invoice. Delete the original text, then copy the boxes or add manually, adjust sizes, change box names etc. Do it until you have added all the fields. Now adjust the alignment and check again that every box is working perfectly or not. Look, all the boxes are working perfectly. You don't need to fill the subtotal, tax, and the grand total field manually, because we will show how to make it fill automatic. Double-click on a box and go to Calculate, select Value as select the Product Multiply option, select the first item price and quantity here and press OK. Repeat the same process for the second item subtotal field. Double-click, Calculate, select Value as Product Multiply and select the second item price and quantity. That's it. Now you can see that the field is filled automatically. Now for the subtotal field, double-click on it, open Calculate option, select Value as select Sum and select the first item total price and second item total price and press OK. Now you will see that the subtotal field is also filled with the exact calculations. Now manually fill the tax field. Now the total box. Double-click and open the Calculate option, select Value as select Sum and select the subtotal and the tax, then press OK. Now you can see this field also filled with the exact calculations. Now we will add some buttons on it. Select the button option from toolbar and place them where you want to add. I am adding 3 buttons. Now select the first button and double-click, add the button name to reset, use a different text color to highlight, add the level name as the same as button name, go to General and make the button visible but font print, because we want print the buttons but use them digitally. At last go to Action and select the action to reset it from, and select all fields and press OK. Select the second button, double-click, give it name to print, visible but doesn't print, add label name to the same, then go to Actions, execute a menu then select Print from here. That's it. This button is also ready. Follow the same process for the last button, use the name to save as and use the action to save as. Our Fillable PDF form is ready. Let's check that all buttons are working or not. Look! They all are working properly. The buttons will now print but Word in any PDF viewer. That's